and welcome in Survi's maths class, and today we are going to do some word problems of topic square and square roots. Let's take first problem. Devika has a square piece of cloth of area 9 meters square. This is a square piece of cloth of area 9 meters square. ये इसका area है. Now she wants to make 16 square shaped scarves of equal size out of it. इसने 16 स्क्वायर शेप्ड स्कार्फ इक्वल साइज के बना दिए, यानी उसने 9 मीटर स्क्वायर जो एरिया था उसको 16 में डिवाइड कर दिया. क्योंकि ये सब स्क्वायर शेप है तो सबका इक्वल एरिया है. तो अगर हम सिर्फ इस स्क्वायर की बात करें, सिंगल पीस के एरिया की बात करें, तो वो कितना होगा? 9 मीटर स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 16. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर क्लोथ इज गिवन, दैट इज 9 मीटर स्क्वायर. And area of each piece of scarf will be 9 meters square divided by 16. Now, length of the side of the scarf. As you know, that area of a square is equal to side into side, that is side square. And to find the side of a square, what we have to do? We have to find the square root of the area. That is square root of 9 by 16 meter square. अब आप निकाल सकते हैं इसका स्क्वायर रूट. Yes, square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 16 is 4. So the length of the side of each scarf will be 3 by 4 meter. Is it clear to you? Let's do this question. In this area of a square field is given, and we have to find the length of one side. And you know, when we have to find the length of one side, it means square root of this area. First, convert this mixed number in improper fraction. First, we have to multiply these two and then add 1. After this, I am getting 40401 divided by 400 meters square. And to find the length of one side, we have to find the square root of 40401 divided by 400 meters square. As you know, the square root of 400 is 20. And now you have to find the square root of 40,401. Let's find. Make the pairs from right side. 1, 2. Now 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 4. Bring down 2 digits at a time. If I place 0 over here, it means I got 0. Let's place 0. After multiplying by 0, I am getting 0 over here. Now after subtraction, I am left with 4. Now bring down 2 digits at a time, that are 0 and 1. Plus 0, that is 40. Now I have to place one number over here, that is 1. 401. Ones are 401. Okay, so the square root of 40,401 is 201. 201 divided by 20 meter is the length of one side. Now convert this improper fraction in mixed number. So I am getting 21s are 20, 0, 1 by 20 meter is the answer. Okay, कितना easy है? पहले आप इसको improper fraction में कर लीजिए, फिर आप इसको नीचे वाले नंबर को तो आपको निकालने की जरूरत ही नहीं, क्योंकि आपको याद होगा 20 का स्क्वायर होता है 400. सो आई हैव प्लेस 20 ओवर हियर, और इसका हमने निकाल दिया. कितना जल्दी निकाल दिया है ना. लेट्स डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ जनरल wishing to draw up his 64,019 men in the form of a square found that he had 10 men extra. जब उसने स्क्वायर में अपने लोगों को फॉर्म किया, उसके पास कितने आदमी थे? जनरल के पास कितने आदमी थे? टोटल 64,019 men थे. एंड ही फॉर्म अ स्क्वायर. उसने उन आदमियों का एक स्क्वायर क्रिएट किया, फॉर्म किया, लेकिन उसको पता लगा कि उसके अंदर 10 men एक्स्ट्रा हैं. नाउ द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर विल बी द नंबर माइनस 10. दैट इज 64,019 minus 10, that is 64,009. It is a perfect square. इतने लोगों को उसने स्क्वायर फॉर्म में खड़ा किया. Find the number of men in the front row. Total number of men in front row. So For that we have to find the square root of this number. Let's find 9. Make the pairs from right side. 2 2s are 4. After subtraction I am left with 2. Bring down 40. Add 2 over here. Here is 4. Now as you know, 6 4s are 24. But when I place 6 over here, 6 6 are 36. 3 in my mind, 6 4 24 plus 3 27. And it is not possible to place 6 over here. So we have to move for the lesser number, that is 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 in my mind, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Now after subtraction I am left with 15 over here. Now bring down 2 digits at a time. Add 5 over here, so I got 50 over here. Now we have to think of a number. When we place it over here and multiply the complete number by the same, we should get either equal to this or less than this number. And that number can be 3, as 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 3 0 0. 3 5s are 15. Now this is the square root of this. So we come to know that the number of men in the front row will be 253. So you can write in statement the number of men in front row will be equal to 253. Okay? Dear students, in the next question, the cost of levying a square lawn at rupees 15 per square meter is rupees 19,935. So, the total cost of leveling is equal to rupees 19,935. And to find the total cost of leveling is equal to cost of leveling per square meter is equal to area is equal to rupees 19,935. हमें ये टोटल कॉस्ट कैसे निकाली होगी? हमें टोटल एरिया को cost of leveling per square meter से multiply किया होगा, then we get the total cost of the leveling. And we already know the cost of leveling per square meter is rupees 15 multiplied by area is equal to rupees 19,935. So we come to know that area is equal to rupees 19,935 divided by 15, and that is 15 ones are 15, 4 is remainder, 4 9 49, 15 3s are 45. Now again 4 remainder, 4 and 3 43, 15 2s are 30. Now I am left with 13. We bring down 5, that is 135, and 15 9s are 135. So this is the area of this square lawn, and we show the area by meter square. Now we'll find the cost of fencing the lawn at rupees 22 per meter. Cost of fencing, आपको पता है ना, अगर ये स्क्वायर लॉन है तो इसकी फेंसिंग हमें कहाँ करनी होगी? यहाँ पर, है ना? फेंसिंग के लिए हमें आउटर बाउंड्री की जरूरत है, एंड आउटर बाउंड्री के लिए हमें लेंथ ऑफ द साइड की जरूरत है. इफ वी नो अबाउट द एरिया, कैन यू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ वन साइड? यस, लेंथ ऑफ वन साइड of square lawn is equal to square root of 1329 meter square. Dear students, let's find the square root of 1329 over here. Make the pairs. Now 3 3s are 9. Plus 3, I got 6 over here. 9, I am left with 429. Now we have to think about a number which is, when multiplied by the same number, I got either equal to or less than 429, and that number can be 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 in my mind. 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39. Now after subtraction, I'm left with 9 minus 6, 3. 12 minus 9, 3. And now we have to place decimal over here. Place decimal over here. Now bring down 2 zeros at a time, so I'm left with 3300. After addition, I'm left with 72. Now again we have to think of a number, and that can be 4. 4 4s are 16, 1 in my mind. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 4 7s are 28. And after addition, I'm left with 8 2 7, and after subtraction, I'm left with 4 0. 12 minus 8, 4. Now at the last, I got 36.4. This is the approximate length of one side. So the length of one side of square lawn is equal to 36.4 meter. This is the length of one side of this square lawn. Now find the cost of fencing the lawn at ₹22 per meter. This is the cost of fencing per meter, but we have to find the total cost of fencing. So the total cost of fencing is equal to 36.4 meter. This is the length of one side, और उसके लिए हमें complete perimeter चाहिए ना complete perimeter. So multiply this by 4. Then you will get the complete perimeter of this square lawn, and then multiply by 22 to get the total cost of fencing. क्योंकि fencing में हमारा क्या था, complete perimeter हमें चाहिए, है ना. तो perimeter का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, 4 into side. So we have multiplied by 4 to get the complete perimeter of this square lawn, and then we have multiplied by 22 to get the total cost of the complete fencing. Now multiply these digits and get your answer. Now dear students, in next question, if square root of 2 is given, that is 1.414, and square root of 5 is given, that is 2.236, and square root of 3 is given, that is 1.732. Now we have to find the value of square root of 72 plus square root of 48, and in the next part we have to find the square root of 125 divided by 64. Before finding the square root, first we have to make the prime factorization of 72. Let's start. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 3s are 72. Plus, now make the prime factorization of 48. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Now this is the prime factorization of 48. Now make the pairs of same prime factors. Here are the pairs, और जिनका पेयर बन गया है तो हम जब स्क्वायर रूट निकालते हैं उसको वन टाइम हम लेते हैं. तो दिस इज 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, अब इसका तो पेयर हमारे पास है ही नहीं, तो क्या लेंगे हम इसको, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by square root of 3. Now 2 3s are 6 multiplied by, now put the value of square root of 2, that is 1.414 plus 2 2s are 4 multiplied by, put the value of square root of 3, that is 1.732. Now we have to multiply. 6 4s are 24. 2 in my mind. 6 1s are 6 plus 2. 8. 6 4s are 24. 2 in my mind. 6 1s are 6 plus 2. 8. Plus 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28 plus 1. 29. 4 1s are 4 plus 2. 6. Now we have to add 4 plus 8, 12. 1 in my mind. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 in my mind. 4 plus 9, 13 plus 1, 14. 1 in my mind, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. So this is our answer. Okay, let's move to the next part, that is square root of 125 divided by 64. You know the square root of 64, that is 8. But for upper number, we have to make the prime factorization of number 125. That is 5 5s are 25 multiplied by 5. And now make the pairs of same prime factors. So the answer will be 5 multiplied by square root of 5 divided by 8. Now put the value of square root of 5, that is 2.236. 5 multiplied by 2.236 divided by 8. Let's do this. 5 6 are 30. 3 in my mind. 5 3 are 15 plus 3, 18. 1 in my mind. 5 2 are 10 plus 1, 11. 1 in my mind. 5 2 are 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 8. After division, I got the answer 1.3975. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay.